Consider this before viewing Understanding Magnetism, Part 1. Discuss what you already know about magnetism. Talk about the properties of magnets and their effects on certain objects. As you watch the program, look for its forceful effects both on Earth and in space. Consider how electrical charges play a role in magnetism. Assignment Discovery now presents Understanding Magnetism, Part 1.
If somehow the laws of physics changed so that there was no magnetism, I mean, all bets are off, and God knows what the world would be like. Really and truly, it would be so profoundly different that you couldn't say that, oh, well, we wouldn't have cars or anything so trivial as that. We wouldn't have light.
Since the first moments of creation, magnetism has been a force in our universe so powerful, so fundamental, nothing in our world would exist without it. Not even us. In the beginning, humans first discovered magnetism as a small miracle, a dark stone that attracted iron with an invisible force. In a time when fire was tamed to fashion tools, when the stars were all named, here was something truly magical. A rock with a mind of its own. It was an effect without a cause.
When science began, it began in the Greek colony of Miletus, 650 BC on a Thursday morning. Well, something like that. People started saying, look, let's look for a logical explanation for this complex world. And lodestones were part of this curious complexity.
Lodestone is an iron ore, a natural magnet. The Greeks found deposits of it in the province of Magnesia, and that's how magnets got their name. By 1269, Petrus Peregrinus began to explain the magic.
Ta-da!
He reported that all lodestone, if allowed to rotate freely, pointed in the same direction.
Rock. This rock has some very, very special properties. It does turn, that's true.
Peregrinus also demonstrated that the rock could transfer its magnetic power to an ordinary iron needle.
You could hang it up on the deck. Sailors were going to sail north.
Travelers no longer had to depend on the sun and stars to guide them. Magnetize a piece of iron, float it or mount it on a pivot, and you have a compass. Ready to guide a Sunday sailor around the bay or Columbus to the New World.